Hello and welcome to this week's video. Let's make some ephemera. A couple of weeks ago I made a video about teabag roll making, and Jane asked me in the comments, what is this roll used for? So let's see a few ideas how these can be used. First idea is a Ruffle bookmark. First I measured the cardstock according to the teabag roll. This is 17 centimeters long and the white is about 3.5 centimeters. And now I decided to make a sewing in the middle. And of course you can do this with glue also, but I think this is a handy way and it's a pretty way to make the ruffle look nice. Then some snip snip and between the journal it goes. Of course you can keep on decorating this if you like, but I thought that this would be nice like this simple way. Next, some flower power. Take the roll and start folding the tea bags by keeping the thumb in place, and do the foldings by rotating the flower as you go. At first the folding of the flower is just awful. At least for me it was a proper pain in the beep. But with some practice it starts to go smoothly. Then a staple in the middle and some glue. And then you can decorate the center with a button. This is a lovely way to decorate your journal. Right, then on to the next nice thingy. I don't know what to call this, so let's call it a nice thingy. And this goes to your journal page as a decorative thing. Once again, let's put a sewing in the middle to keep this all intact. And some snip snip. And let's decorate the middle with a little butterfly. I made 3 different versions of this one. And then I decided to put some quotes into these. I think they needed something like that. Then attach them to a journal page with a paper clip. These little things brings nice character to a journal spread. And now let's make some bows with these tea bags and a paper clip. Make a little scrunch in the middle and then put a piece of yarn and do a double knot. And now some hot glue and attach this paper clip to the bow. And make sure that the paper clip is the right way, so you can attach it to the page. You can keep them as they are, or you can put, for example, a button in the middle, or whatever you like to decorate the little bow. Then off to the journal they go, and they look lovely. Okay friends, you know what time it is. The little lanterns are here, because it's fall and the dark nights have arrived. I am obsessed with these extra sources of lights, and I love to make them and scatter them around the home. So I thought, why not make one at the end of this video? So take a jar and choose the pieces of the tea bag roll that you would like to have on your little lantern. Then put some glue, any kind of glue, and then start attaching the little tea bag pieces onto the jar. I painted the jar lid with a black acrylic paint. Then put some tea lights or a little fairy lights into the jar and close the lid. This looks very nice in the dark, and it gives that little fairy feeling to your, for example, to your work desk. Okay, maybe I'm done with talking now. Thank you so much for watching and for all the support that you have shown to my little channel. You are the best. Until next time, bye!